Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the Long Range Weather Forecast discussion. We're live on YouTube. This is for the forecast period from March 6th to the 20th, and I'm James Munley. We're going to look here at the models. We're going to start here with a ridge here over the eastern Pacific, ridge here in the west, below normal heights here across Alaska, Canada, and Greenland. And we have an upper low here on the southwest. This will progress eastward. You see when I go through here slowly though, and this will cause precipitation. And within the cold air, there could be some wintry precipitation. And we'll look at that at the surface. Here we'll go to the surface. So here's our wintry precipitation as that system moves eastward. And also this will cause some heavy rainfall and instability, and this will cause widespread thunderstorms and severe weather and possibly flooding across the south central states. Okay, so we have it right here. To the north we have the cold air. So we'll take a look at the this is the wrong map. Okay, we're going to take a look at the moisture we have here. And this is the dew points here. And you can see we have winds coming out of the Gulf. This will transport a lot of deep moisture into this area. Now we'll look at the shear. If we look at the go to the GFS, and we look at the shear here. Okay, we'll look at the amount of shear in the atmosphere. And you can see we have a lot of shear in this area where it's red, because we have, as I showed you, we have winds coming out of the south from the Gulf of Mexico transporting that deep moisture. Then we have upper level winds bringing in winds from the west. That could cause some spin. So that could cause a lot of severe weather. In addition, we could have a lot of heavy rain occurring across this area. So we'll take a look at the precipitable water. This is according to the GFS. And we have a lot of moisture in this area. And we have a lot of moisture here. So there'll be a lot of heavy rainfall across this region. All right. And then in addition, this would be a quite change from what the East has been experiencing lately. Is a lot of record warmth, possibly here. Temperatures will be in the 60s late in the week and over the weekend. All right, so now we're going to look at the forecast period for March 11th to the 15th. And this is the GFS, continues to keep the trough in the west. Ridge in here is southwest flow here across the east central states. And we look at the European, the trough is in the east, region in the west. So I don't think this is the case. I think it's going to be more what the GFS is saying. So for this forecast period, I am calling for, let's go here, above normal temperatures, much of this area here, and anomalies could be 8 degrees or more above normal in this area in the red. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35%, above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence is 35%. Okay, looking ahead for the period for March 16th to the 20th, and now I'm frozen. Okay, here we go. What we have here, this is the GFS, trough here, ridge in here across much of the country, below normal heights across the north. We look at the European, still has a deeper ridge in the west, trough in the east. And we look at the ensembles, the GFS ensemble has somewhat of a trough here. You can see here the rotation. And we look at the European ensemble shows the same thing. So for this forecast period, it looks like it'll be this. I am calling for be more like the GFS, calling for be more like the European. Let me just check. I forgot what I just said. Be more like the European and its ensemble. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, with anomalies of 8 degrees or more above normal here in parts of the southwest. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. And for this region, probability of occurrence 35%. Above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence is 35%. So just keep your heads up. We'll be watching this the next couple days. Severe weather in parts of the central southern plains, along with heavy rainfall. Oh, one quick thing. We could take a quick look at the rainfall amounts. Let me get the rainfall amounts up here. Okay, we'll get the rainfall here. I want to change the location though. Okay, and we'll get the precipitation. And we'll do this in 6-hour intervals. If it'll load quick enough. Okay, so here are the rainfall amounts. We'll go here in the 6-hour period. It looks like at first close to an inch in some areas. Then we go further in the next couple of days. The heaviest rain here would be in the southern plains, and then we go forward. Now we get into the heavier rain, over an inch here. This is again 6-hour periods, an inch to almost an inch and a half, and then we go